Once the oil is shimmering, give it a gentle stir to keep everything moving.
Uh-oh.
Great! Now, sprinkle in the fresh herbs and let the flavors bloom.
Herbs. Right.
Stir for just a moment, then lower the heat and simmer for 5 minutes.
All right, one more time. Tight knot, shoulders back. You can do this. No more hiding. Let's go show them.
Well, hello there, little visitor. I see you're enjoying the aroma. Care to try a taste? Thought so.
Swirl, swirl, just like she does. Too thick? No, perfect. Bit of thyme, quick taste. That's it. Glossy and proud. Now, finish strong.
Beautiful.
Hey, a rat! In my kitchen? No, 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 no! Come back here! Watch the plates! Ah! Move, Hans! Move! Oh, you have got to be kidding me!
Hey there, little one. Rough night? I've got something you might like.
Cheese?
The good kind.
It smells warm.
Go on, it's yours.
Thank you.
Come with me. I know a kitchen that's drier than this street.
I'd like... Wow! Is this all for me?
All yours, mademoiselle. Noodles with a kick, just the way you ordered.
Look at him go!
A dash of spice and a flourish.
It smells amazing.
Go on, give it a taste.
It's perfect.
Woo! Tiny chef! Bon appetit!